In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in one ClickUp. We'll set up a ready-made workspace using a proven template so you can track routines, errands, and goals without building everything from scratch. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for this setup. Once you're in, look for the plus icon. It's typically near the top or side of your screen and is used to add new items. Click the plus icon, then choose Template. This will take you into the template library where you can browse or search for what you need. Next, select your space. A space is a top-level area in ClickUp that groups related work. Pick the space where you want your personal life system to live. If the menu asks you to specify a space as part of using the template, simply select it here. In the search bar, enter keywords to find a specific template. Type the word personal. You'll see a number of results appear. From these, click on Personal Productivity. This template is designed to help you manage day-to-day tasks and longer-term goals, making it a great starting point for organizing your life. Click Use Template. When prompted to name the space, enter Personal Life. This keeps your setup clearly labeled and easy to locate later. Click Use Template again to confirm. Now wait patiently while ClickUp applies the template. Depending on your connection and the size of the template, this can take a moment. You'll see a progress indicator until everything is ready. Once the template finishes loading, you can customize your personal life tasks and goals. Start by reviewing the lists and sample tasks that came with the template and rename or remove anything that doesn't fit how you live and work. Update task names so they match your routines. Add or adjust due dates to reflect real timelines, and set priorities so what matters most is always on top. If there are sections for habits or goals, rewrite them using your own words and specific outcomes, then connect supporting tasks so each goal has clear next actions. Keep it simple at first. It's better to have a small, accurate system than a cluttered one. And that's it. You've opened your ClickUp account, used the template library, selected a space, searched for personal productivity, applied it as personal life, and customized it to match your needs. Enjoy your organized personal life in ClickUp.